Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, new comic book day, but I don't think I shall be picking up my orders today. Unfortunately, I think GI Joe is coming out. GI Joe #1 and Action Comics 1075, but we'll be foregoing those to work on something much more important, much more important. The world's 11,000th fitness tracking mobile app. It's important to me, okay? It's important to me, and that's what matters. Because we're going to be learning a lot of interesting stuff. Uh, haven't had too much exposure to front end dev over my life, so working on that. Uh, Definitely figuring out how to, connect a database to a front end in React Native be a big interesting one too. And I'll actually get like some use out of this for my daily workouts, my daily post stream workouts. So join me today. We're going to be having a delicious sip of our Tia Guan Yin Iron Goddess oolong tea. And as I pour, we'll reflect on all of the good things that have happened over the past several days. Let's see. I had to learn how to use JavaScript, so maybe not that. But we're doing good. Well, join me for the sip. All right, and let's get started here. So, where we kind of left off here is basically I've got this thing. So I've got like my one screener here that looks somewhat similar to my mock-up of like what the main screen of this thing is going to look like. I have to figure out a couple of things. So number one, oh God, why does that keep zooming out? All right. I think the number one thing is how can I take how can I take what's going on this column here and turn these like plus minus things into actual buttons that increment decrement the number that's appearing there, and then actually store that info either as a state variable, preferably go into some database with the current timestamp, and just be able to store that. So that's number one. Then we'll figure out how to fix this layout so it looks less horrible. Because it looks quite horrible right now. And we'll add like a button down at the bottom too to complete the set. But yeah, that's the plan. Try to make this as like an easy to use in the gym as possible to enter in a set, and that'll be that's our thing. All right, so we're going to go into here, and I think I need to turn like this into some buttons. Now, should it be 3 different like button components? I don't know. We'll see. So let's create a new component slash and we'll just grab this one. Oh, whoops. All right. So I don't know which of these actually controlled like what icon I was using. I think it was this one right here. Oops. That doesn't look right. That looks like a phone model. Okay. So let's jump back to this page here, and we'll import that plus button. And then put that in here. So how should I? Let's see. So I think I'm like doing this wrong here. I think I want like all those. Okay, here we go. So yeah, so that still looks like what I want it to, so that's good. All right, and then we'll add the button. Do I have a style for that? Styles button. So I have to pass in icon, label, and then an onPress function. So what? Let's see. What icons did we have in? Oh God. In this demo one. Let's see. So icon equals refresh. So it's just, so from this like icon pack, I think I've got like some good options here. Oh, was that a string? Plus button? No, that's from me. Let's make it an apple. Okay, cool. And then I have to define an on press. So I think I have to create some state variables in, and I guess they're children of the index function. I don't really like in JavaScript. Oh, also like what the fuck? Oh, it did the label too. Okay, I don't really need a label. I just want an icon. All right, so where am I getting this icon library from? This is Expo vector icons. Plus. I thought I tried plus, I think. Is that not? Type plus, not type image stocks. Is this like part of some other pack in here? If I were to look for the refresh one, material community icons. Oh, so that might be it. Oh, okay. So I need these ant design ones then, I think. Plus square. Okay, so how do I get the? It's not. So how do I get this different pack material community icons? So there is one in there. Is it just that I did not, I didn't specify? Oh, I specified material icons from it. Oh, okay, I see. So it needs to, as I am right now, it would be in material icons, but I also want this material community. Wait, no, that doesn't have. All right, so who has a good plus? Who has a good one? We'll do oct icons, I guess. Octagons. Come on. Okay. Yeah, so now this plus should work. Yeah, there we go. So, unfortunately, that is not centered. not horizontally centered like at all. Is that in my style for this thing? Icon button label. Okay, so that would. I don't even really want a label anyway. See, there we go. Now, why is that? You guys can see that background now, right? That's not good. There's like some effed up thing back there, and I think I need to. Can I like comment this out? How do I comment? Perfect. No, that's not it. Now, is that just a problem with this pack here? I don't know. So can I not? I can't pass in style here. How was I doing that before though? Because I'm pretty sure I was overwriting something. I guess not. I was passing it into the view, right? No, well, because I had some sort of styles button. Well, where's that getting? Is that getting used? I guess it wasn't, maybe. Okay, well. Yeah, I don't know. Theme equals primer. Okay, well. No. That kind of stinks. I guess it's fine. I'm just a little concerned why I have that background grayness there. And we can try a different pack here. Try from the material community icons. Yeah, it looks better. All right, we're good at that. So I do need to create a equivalent for minus button T6. Oh, I don't even need to do this. Yeah, I overcomplicated this, I think. I see why this was just generic before. Oops. What's wrong here? I think we're fine. Okay. Okay, cool. So we need to, I think, create a state variable. Oh god, look how much shit is on here. I don't think I need this thing. Wait, so I actually don't want why do I have to declare a state variable const? So, because I think it should just be a state variable until like you click to go onto the next screen, and then yeah. Can I use is there like that? No. And then I want to render out the so let's see if that works. No, how do I like use that? Text. Do I need to like escape the name? I don't think so. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Oh, genius. Okay, now I've totally screwed up those. Oh, that is so badass. Look at that. Yeah, we got buttons. We got buttons. Alright, sweet. And actually, let's do this like max 0, because I don't want you to be able to. Math.max. Let's see. Where did my emulator go? Yeah, yes. Oh, that's so sweet. Look at that. Look at that. We are booling now. Okay. All right. I think that's worth committing, you know. Look at that. Mobile Devon. Feeling like a star. You can't stop my shine. I'm loving Cloud City. My head's in the sky. I'm Solo. I'm Han Solo. I'm Han Solo. I'm Han Solo. Alright, badass. So, look at that. Look at this sexy GitHub history back here. Ignore this part. Ignore what's going on over there. But over here, you know, we got some good shit going on. Okay, so all right, that's cool. So we got like some state stuff really working. It's, you know, obviously currently just local to, you know, this thing. So I think the next thing is probably figure out how to put all of this stuff in like a grid correctly, because right now obviously, you know, this shit is all over the place and it does not look quite like our our beautiful mock-up screen in Excalidraw here. Yeah. So let's see. Well, let's take a look through React Native. Actually, I want this as well. I want to take a look through like React Native components, see what we can come up with here. So scroll view sounds useful, right? Because I think, you know, at some point probably you know, it's possible like someone someone is doing so many different things that they, in a set that you would need that. Uh, don't need it right now though. It's over engineering. What is this section list? Not really what I'm looking for. A virtualized list. But what the fuck is this? State is not preserved. Okay. So that's something interesting. If I scroll away, then like if I back out. Oh, I think that just did it, right? No. How do I like close the app? Can't connect. Oh. What's going on? Reload that. All right, let's not worry about that for right now then. Because what I am looking for is a way to kind of grid this out. But I think I might have to get creative and actually just do it kind of in the HTML here. Yeah. All right. We're gonna have to do some work. So for an individual row, what should that look like? We want the oh, can I see like the style sheet thing as part of here? Main style space for the function. Okay. Flex direction row. So if I get rid of this, that didn't do anything. So all my stuff is in an option row right now. Just try to get rid of as much dead code as we can. So everything is in this view container, which I think I don't actually want. It's like the footer containers over here. I'm still rendering out this layout thing, right? Yeah, so I don't like how does this work? I'm not quite certain. Like, how does it know to put that at the bottom. Oh, hey, Rabbit, don't eat my cables. Don't do that. Don't chew on power cables. Those are the worst ones to chew on. Squash. Alright. Did I like define that out here? No, this is that's where like this thing is coming from in an Expo router. Okay, so like what happens if I get rid of this footer container one? Nothing. Okay, because I think I've probably already gotten rid of that. So I think look at that. So that's what's anchoring this to like the bottom of the screen here. And I think this bottom is like the bottom margin. Does that seem plausible? Yeah. So is that like exclusive with like can I not use that like with top? Or no, that wouldn't make sense. But like if I made like a top one too, what would that do? Okay, so that like sets it to like min of either, but it's preferring top. Is that because I put it first? No. Okay, well that looks like a little better anyway. Let's see, so let's look at like align items then. In a grid container, the grid items. Oh, okay, so let's try grid then. Display grid. It's not so it's like non-flexible. See, something is horribly wrong now. Rabbit, you gotta stop biting me. Come on. Like how did this get below my options container now? That is a mystery to me. that doesn't quite make any sense. All right, we're kind of running out of time here. So let's try to wrap up. Okay, so that like doesn't work. How do I do this? Is it time to ask AI? All right. ChatGPT, please help me. React Native grid style sheets. Okay. So. So I guess it is that I'm not. Let's, yeah, I'm not defining like view cells, so it doesn't know what to do, right? Yeah, so that makes sense. Oh god, so much nesting, so much centering divs going on here. But I think honestly, I think that'll be good enough for today. Yeah, we'll worry about that tomorrow. This is good progress though. In just 40 minutes, we were able to make buttons that are to plus minus this thing. That's pretty awesome to me. And it doesn't go below 0. Why did this like invert? I'm not quite sure what happened there. But that's just the way things go, All right. So we'll shut all this stuff down. Shut you down. All right. So good stuff today. Got lots of cool things working. Also off stream I did this. I added another entry for my projects on my website of my cool senior capstone project. We built like a little ball that collects data about lobsters 1,000 feet under the sea. Pretty cool stuff. Who's watching this? Peter. Yeah, and I think I'll be continuing probably to flesh out this page here. I might have to play around with it because as of now these articles are kind of like article tags are kind of humongous, and I don't know if it's like as like readable as like a big portfolio right now. It kind of looks like okay. And I still want to go add like home to the nav bar, so I don't have to click on my name because that's still weird. I want to make this a link, which actually should be quite simple. Where do I have that? Yeah, that'll be like a one-liner change. I don't know why I did W or colon W there. This Obsidian autosaves. Yeah, we got lots of projects to work on. Still probably this is priority 1. Continuing to implement these screens to kind of like work static. I think we're gonna say it's gonna maybe take another couple days or so. And then connecting it to like backend database would be another whole science experiment. At some point, I'll have to get back to trying to do the real-time video streaming on my Pi 3. It's gonna be a little shitty probably, but it's the best we can do. And then at some point, I'll try to improve the quality of these live streams, because I've gotten some success, I think, in YouTube like recommending stuff to me. Or recommending my stuff to people, but like I don't think it's probably not being helped by like how like crappy quality most of these streams like look, right? We got like 2 minutes. Yeah, and also this really like the performance of this page on Firefox, at least my Firefox, like really sucks for some reason. So I don't know. I can never get on this analytics page without it like crapping out. So YouTube, if you're watching, go fix that. But I'll try to like see if I can improve this a little bit, get simultaneous streaming on like multiple platforms working. At some point, I'll like invest the minimum amount of effort into making this thing look be a little bit better. But that I think that's it for today. We accomplished some great things. We got some buttons. And what is uh, computer programming but making buttons and using buttons, right? That's the world as we know it. So thank you all for watching. I hope you have a good rest of your day and stay coding.